This doesn't happen every day, folks. Stuart Energy, Mark Stewart, Chris Lynch from Stuart Energy rock up here on Friday with an invite to come and have a look at our factory and our operation. Totally blown away. Place an order for 12 900-litre fuel cubes. The first order with Stuart, and we are pumped. You know what the other good news is? We start the project on Monday, we finish the project on Tuesday, and now we're delivering on Thursday. That is fuel proof. How about this, Stuart Energy? We're going to be delivering one day early.